Hello everyone, my name is Idris Ibrahim and this is Utopia OS. Utopia OS is a platform that allows people to design and simulate features they want by exploring solutions to real-world problems such as food waste, pollution, digital addiction, and community safety. Instead of only imagining a better world, Utopia OS helps users visualize how solutions could actually impact solution or society. The problem today we face many global challenges such as food waste while millions go hungry, increasing pollution and climate issues, digital addiction affecting mental health, unequally access to education and resources, but often people don't have a way to experiment with ideas or show how solutions might work in the real world. That's the gap Utopia OS tries to address. The solution: Utopia OS is an interactive feature design platform where users can explore major global problems, design innovative solutions, simulate the impact of these solutions compares today's world with a possible better future. So let's go ahead and see a demo of how it works and the simulation we're going to have. Here we start with Utopia OS dashboard page where users are invited to begin designing their future. The platform focuses on empowering people to think creativity about solving global challenges. The next I have here, which is the problem explore. Once I click on the problem explore, I will be able to see where the users will enter a problem explore where they can select an issue they care about. For example, the first one I have is the food waste, screen addiction, pollution and transportation, smart city. So here are all the problems. So each problem includes context and impact so users understand why it matters. And then for instance, I'm going to select one of this problem. So I'm going to select food waste. Once I click on it, it's now going to take me to the AI Utopia Builder, which is the AI Utopia Builder. Once a problem is selected, user move to AI Utopia Builder where they describe the feature they want. For example, reducing waste in cities or reduction. So I select food waste and we can see a lot of examples. So I'm going to use the food waste. Then for the target audience, I'm going to leave it as global population. The area of impact, so I'm going to leave it as global. Then the description, so we can go ahead and put description, but I'm going to use food waste for example as the description. So also, and then down here I have the urgency level. I'm going to leave it as medium. The expected time frame, let me say 5 years. And then down we'll have the innovation parameters. You can go ahead and reduce or increase them. So I'm going to leave them as they are as default. So I'm going to generate Utopia plan. So once I click the generate Utopia plan, it's now going to generate it here. For me, I'm going to see all the plans. So here is the food reduction network, the vision statement, the proposed solution, the key innovation, and then the impact forecast. I have everything here. And so also I can save the plan. So once I save it, I can find it later inside the save plan. But what I have next is the impact simulator. So here is impact simulator where I can reduce the simulation parameter wherever I want it to be, and it's going to reduce. So if I increase, it's going to be increased. So I'm going to leave it default. You can go ahead and change it to what you want. And then we have the feature map. All the example we have there already on the map. The next one is the compare world, where we have the comparison between the today's world and the future world. And then the next, that's where I saved what I saved. Here is it for the food reduction. We can view it. Here is the view. Under the description, I put food waste. So this is the vision statement, the proposed solution, the key innovation, everything is there. Once we can view it, and then we can even share, we can edit, we can delete it. And then we'll have the insights. So this is the insight of what you are going to have based on the AI recommendation summary and other things. Why this matters: Utopia OS encourages people to think like innovators and problem solvers. Instead of feeling powerless, global challenges users can experiment with ideas, visualize impact, and explore new possibilities for a better future. It turns imagination into interactive exploration. Utopia OS is not just about technology, it is about empowering people to design the world they want to live in. By combining creativity, simulation, and future thinking, the platform helps us move from what if to what could be. Thank you for watching.